In this video I'm gonna tell you how to clear cache on Snapchat app, so please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat app. Now tap on your profile option on the upper left corner. Now tap on setting option on the upper right corner. Now scroll down and in the account actions option below, tap on clear cache option and now continue. Cache has been cleared. So this is a simple method. You can also clear your Snapchat cache. So I hope you will like this video. So please give a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Goodbye.